Syntax error on print with Python 3. Why do I receive a syntax error when printing a string in Python 3?
In Python 3, print became a function. This means that you need to include parentheses now like mentioned below.
It looks like you're using Python 3.0, in which print has turned into a callable function rather than a statement. Because in Python 3, print statement has been replaced with a print function, with keyword arguments to replace most of the special syntax of the old print statement. So you have to write it as. But if you write this in a program and someone using Python 2.x tries to run it, they will get an error. To avoid this, it is a good practice to import print function. Now your code works on both 2.x and 3.x. Check out below examples also to get familiar with print function. Source: What's new in Python 3.0?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.